There might be instances where your Galaxy S24 unexpectedly struggles to send MMS or picture messages. This could be due to a range of factors, including unstable network connections or the mobile data being switched off. If you're grappling with this issue, the initial course of action is to verify that your mobile data is activated. To do this, go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Data Usage. And verify that the switch next to mobile data is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to restart your device. This could be due to a minor system glitch. To restart, press and hold the volume down and power keys until the options appear. Tap on Restart and confirm you want to reboot your phone. After the reboot, check if the problem has been resolved. If the problem persists, you may need to reset your mobile network settings. This will refresh your phone's connection to the network. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down to General Management. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap on Reset Settings to proceed. This process will only take a few seconds, and the issue should be resolved afterwards. If the issue still persists, you may need to contact your service provider, as it could be an issue with your account or the network. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching.